as you can see, we're playing Total Drama. We're playing Total Drama today. Babe, I keep on dying and this is not cute. Let me go. Period. I'm tired. Didn't hear me. Okay. Jump. Everybody jump. Everybody jump. Everybody jump. Oh. Please. No! No way. Okay. Wait, who are we? Oh, I ain't on that team. Alright, well. Okay, now I'm scared. Hey, y'all, it was me. Please don't vote me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I better get one. I already know I'm gonna get one. Oh. Okay. Oh. That's cute. I don't know what y'all are watching for. This is not funny. Oh. No. Shut the freak up. Y'all all voting me out. Y'all stinking on yourself. Don't know why y'all saying bye for. We got this forever. I don't know why y'all vote me out. We vote me yourself. Big delusional. Ooh. In my face. Saying bye. With your ugly self. We back. Period. Clock that. We're back. Where's my thing at? Okay. Thank you, Kyle. Okay, I'm Casey. Period. Okay, Casey, I'm the real one. These shorts are looking cute. This whole outfit is trash. I would never wear this. Hey, y'all. Hey, Ava.
No offense, but you gotta stop talking to the mic, okay? It's just like mute it at this point. No one wants to hear you talk, okay?
Girl, who is you talking to?
I'm talking to you.
Oh. You ain't talking to me like that. But whatever, let's go. I forgot you can't touch the thing. Sometimes this must be hard. But let's go. And I don't know how she's playing. Don't see me act up. Period, I made it. What? Y'all, I think I was like 5. I don't know. I think I was like 6 or 5. I don't know. But I did make it. I did make it.
Casey, ain't nobody talking to you in the mic. Just chat at this point, okay?
Girl, you're not even on my team. I ain't talking to you.
Word hate heavily.
Who is y'all talking to?
I'm talking to the what?
Whatever. But yeah, I did make it, y'all. So yeah. What? I did make it, Harry. I made it. I did make it, first of all. Oh, well. I made it, so. That's what I'm saying, Blair. Like, why me? Okay, period. Libby, period, Libby. After some. Oh, Harry. Okay. Blair. Oh. Okay. AJ. Okay, Lena. And the final marshmallow goes to me. Oh! Why do I keep on getting voted out of this game? Like, what did I do? That's why y'all all stink real fishy. I hate you, Harry. That's why you stink. Who annoying? Who annoying? Oh. Period. Hey. Oh, y'all really wanted me gone. Oh. Girl, I don't know who you talking to. Well, baby, I'm still here. No matter where or not, I'm still here. Hey. Period. Okay, I wasn't the first one to get hit. I wasn't the first one to die. So I wasn't the first one to die. I think it was Nolan who was the first one to die. I think it was Nolan who was the first one to die. No, I actually saw you die. I was like the second one to die. You was the first. I did see you.
Can you please shut up, okay? Like, nobody wants to hear you talk, okay?
Girl, nobody wants to hear you talk. Hey, will you stop talking to me? I don't even know how I got on the same team with you. Oh, I didn't mean to. I was trying to shoot behind you. I didn't mean to hit you, Ava. I'm sorry. Well, I didn't die. Well, Nolan was the first one to die, if I'm being honest. I did see him die. Girl, I didn't even do anything! Nolan. Girl, shut the freak up. Ain't nobody voting for me. Lonan was the last one to die. Okay. Ugh. Okay. I better get a marshmallow. I ain't playing. And the final marshmallow goes to me. Period! Ain't that up. Ooh. Jen didn't even do anything. Nolan was the last one to die. Oh my gosh. I mean, was the first one to die. Boom. Jen, we're gonna miss you. Bye, girl. What did I do to y'all? What did I do? What did I do? Hmm? Harry, what did I do to y'all? My team? What did I do? I didn't even do nothing to y'all. Who is you talking? I don't know who these people talking to. Period. Yes. Finally. Y'all ain't finna get me out. I ain't do nothing. Talking all that stuff. Yeah. Period. Had to get a little thumbnail in. I hope Harry get out. Okay. Bye. Bye, girl. I didn't even do anything. Y'all just hate me because I'm the baddest. Shut the freak up. I ain't even on your team no more.
But you were on my team, though.
So?
But you were on my team, though.
Whatever.
Counting your days crazy. Counting your days crazy.
As y'all can see, I was 4th. Corey was last. Yo, what did I do to you?
Whatever you guys do not send Casey to exile.
What?
Whatever you guys do not send Casey to exile.
Did you just mock me? What? I didn't do nothing to y'all. And yeah. Stop, please stop saying that. I don't want to be out. You what? Now. This is so unfair. Like I literally made it in. What did I do? I didn't do nothing to y'all. Y'all ain't getting me out because I ain't do nothing. Heavenly, since you want to talk with that stuff. Whatever. Stacy, you with me, right? I ain't do nothing. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get a marshmallow. Watch. You coulda. Casey, you rat. Y'all really don't like me for no reason. I ain't doing nothing to y'all smelly, fishy selves.
It's like
Y'all stink, y'all ugly, and y'all musty. All of you. Yo! I don't know who y'all talking to. It ain't me. Are you dancing? Well, that's the end of the video. Bye. They like really hate me. But whatever. It's okay. Bye, y'all.